Check. 1 and 3, mic check. Welcome everybody. I want everyone in this beautiful location, Shisha Sky Lounge, to please be present so that we begin this amazing event today. Hello everybody. कैसा रहा आपका दिन आज का? So guys, as you can see, this entire thing is going to happen virtually. So we can see her there, and I would like to pass on the mic to Neha Banerjee herself with unveiling of Make Agyanta.
Pranam Didi, thank you so much for coming online and doing this honor of lamplighting for me. I would just request you to unveil the cover of my video album. Thank you so much, Didi. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I would like to call Mr. Sandeep Sopakarji, please to do the lamp lighting here as well. Please come forward. बहुत सुना है आपके बारे में, आप देख भी लिया आज. Guys, थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए यहाँ से भी. Exactly. So ma'am, Neha Banerjee, पहले तो ये बताइए कि how do you feel about her being this beautiful student of yours?
So, Megha Kyaika is a video album made on the compositions designed on clouds, water. What is the importance of water in our lives? And this idea was very much there, and I wanted to do, as usual, a stage show with this. We've used beautiful poetries of Niralaji and late Shri Harivansh Bachchanji. So, but unfortunately, we were all stuck by this pandemic, and we were all at home. I saw that a lot of dancers were coming up with their productions and online performing, but they were facing lots of difficulties, and also it lacked the aesthetics of proper light, sound, and dressing, and a lot of other things. So we decided, me and Gyandev Singh Ji. Can I have you here with me? Yeah, Gyandev Singh Ji, he conceptualized this vision treat for us in 3D, and it's all virtually. He designed the sets, and this is how we came up with this idea. And here we are with Megha Kyaika. But if Didi can now say more things about it.
Hi, so shall we begin? So guys, let us do the lamp lighting, and I would request, please come forward Mr. Sandeep Sopakarji, Ms. Neha Banerjee ji to come forward. and the entire team to come forward. The team representative of Kathak Darpan Trust by Vikas Mishra and Gyandev Gunjan Ashputra coming up on the stage. Please come up.
I want to request everybody, Vijayashri Didi, can you please come here? Sunil, Ayan, Vivek Priya, all of you please come and join Sandeep ji for this honor to me.
I want you to come with us.
Yeah.
As Sashwati Singh ji could see the entire lamp lighting here happening here virtually, that's really beautiful.
उनको आज मुझे स्पर्श करने के लिए चाहिए क्या करेंगे मेरी आवाज आ रही है
हाँ जी दीदी, आपकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से आ रही है
चलो
जी, एकदम अच्छी।
हमारे सुनील कहीं कहीं
Thank you so much दीदी, we can all hear your sweet voice.
So nice to see you all. Very unfortunately I'm not there. और बहुत मजा आ रहा है मेरे सारे परिवार को देखकर। हाय विजयश्री, हाय विवेक भाई, नमस्ते। संदीप भाई नमस्ते, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। And as I was saying, what a beautiful name. I don't know कितनी पढ़ाई इसमें थी। उम्मीद आख्यायिका, my God, it's like a नायिका जो अपने सुंदर बोलने से सारी चीजों का व्याख्यान करे. So beautiful name, and I'm sure it's a beautiful video which everyone will enjoy. हमने थोड़ी सी glimpses देखी है, अब आराम से देखेंगे, and I wish everyone will make good use of it. The concept itself nowadays, conversation or preservation and awareness of water and nature and everything, like she said, clouds, everything is so vital. We have been so insensitive towards nature, insensitive towards our surroundings. Perhaps we are bearing the brunt of that because of all that. But अब हमको और ये सारे काम जो नेहा ने किया है, ये भी एक तरह का a step towards making people a little more aware of our nature around us, our fauna and flora around us, our beautiful the sky, the clouds, the water, the rivers. कितना वो देते हैं और वापसी में कुछ नहीं मांगते. In return, they don't expect anything but a little bit of sunder album. और उसमें जो पोएट्री लोगों ने इतनी खूबसूरती से लिखी है, तो वो तो कुछ नहीं इन रिटर्न मांगता है. फिर भी हम इतना सा थोड़ा सा उनके प्रति थोड़ा सा सेंसिटिव क्यों नहीं हो पाते हैं. I think this album will also make you the mother and the surrounding things which give us our life, our soul.
Hi. So, are you ready for the unveiling of this beautiful calendar?
I've been waiting for it the past few days.
What?
I've been waiting for it the past few days.
You're waiting for it for past few days. This beautiful album definitely is going to change how people look at dance, how people look at classical dance definitely. What do you have to say about it? Share a little bit.
Well, I have known Neha for many years now, and one thing I will always say, whatever she does, is always very unique and creative. This, along with Dhyan that she has made, music by Vivek ji, is fantastic. I have, by the way, I have seen all the 5 of them, and I think each of them is extraordinarily beautiful, and she has danced fantastically well, along with Ayan here, and I think it's a wonderful thing. Yes, of course.
I would request
And my dearest friend Vijayashri Chaudhary, who has been a significant figure in the choreography part of it. She is my friend past 20 years, and her job is always extraordinary. So when the best of them come together, you can imagine what must be happening. So you guys get ready to watch this album soon, because every piece that is there is really very unique and beautiful. And I'm sure it's going to, especially youth today, is going to love it, because I think classical dance has got a new way of presentation. And it's all thanks to Neha that it has come forward. So thank you for bringing this ahead and doing this for the art form and for the new virtual way of life today. And this would have been possible only with your imagination and the great talent of the entire team. Thank you.
I would request all the artists to please come in center
सेंटर में आ जाइए
for the unveiling of Neha Banerjee's Megh Akhyayika.
अरे बोल दो इधर ही देखेंगे घूम जाएंगे
अब इतनी बार बोली हूँ कि मिस्टेक हो ही नहीं सकता. गाइस एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए और जोरदार प्लीज. सीटियां भी हो जाए. श्योर.
अरुण सीटी बजाने बोला है सीटी बजाना है
Being done. Represented by Kathak Darpan Trust. Music by Vikas Mishra. Virtual by Gyandeep Gunjan. Music by Vivek Mishra and virtual by Gyandeep Gunjan. Ashtaputra. Wow, what a name. Wow, this is beautiful. How gorgeous and ethereal Neha is looking in this beautiful red. Wow.
वो दुकान वाला है ऊपर वाला
Kathak Darpan Trust presents Megh Akhyayika, The Tale of Cloud, a web-based performance series starring Neha Banerjee. And here you can see this entire team right here.
या हेलो भाई
Wow, Mr. Sunil, this was really beautiful. The way you have dressed and the way you explained about this entire costume of Neha added so much beauty to the album. So shall we proceed to the unveiling of the album? Are you guys ready?
ऑलवेज
थोड़ा शोर मचाओ. Are you guys ready? Sure?
अरुण शोर मत
But ये सीटियों की आवाज से पता चल रहा है that we are going to unveil a beautiful album. All right. Step forward.
इन सेंटर प्लीज
I would request all the artists to please come in center
सेंटर में आ जाइए
for the unveiling of Neha Banerjee's Megh Akhyayika.
अरे बोल दो इधर ही देखेंगे घूम जाएंगे
अब इतनी बार बोली हूँ कि मिस्टेक हो ही नहीं सकता. गाइस एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए और जोरदार प्लीज. सीटियां भी हो जाए. श्योर.
अरुण सीटी बजाने बोला है सीटी बजाना है
Being done. Represented by Kathak Darpan Trust. Music by Vikas Mishra. Virtual by Gyandeep Gunjan. Music by Vivek Mishra and virtual by Gyandeep Gunjan. Ashtaputra. Wow, what a name. Wow, this is beautiful. How gorgeous and ethereal Neha is looking in this beautiful red. Wow.
वो दुकान वाला है ऊपर वाला
Kathak Darpan Trust presents Megh Akhyayika, The Tale of Cloud, a web-based performance series starring Neha Banerjee. And here you can see this entire team right here.
या हेलो भाई या थैंक यू
So guys, are you all excited to see the album? Yes or no? Yes. Excited ho na? Okay, alright.
वीडियो मंगा लेंगे।
वो हो गाइस, तालियां हो जाए एक बार, जोरदार तालियां, जोरदार तालियां।
हाँ
प्लीज एक हुक स्टेप, प्लीज एक हुक स्टेप,
प्लीज प्लीज।
एक हुक स्टेप। वो तो मैं वापस करवाने वाली हूँ, पर एक छोटा सा हुक स्टेप। Preparation चल रही है हुक स्टेप की, you know it's Kathak, so you have to be really, as you can see here, it's important guys. Wow. Guys, सोचो भी नजारा क्या होने वाला है जब स्क्रीन पे प्ले होगा ये ब्यूटीफुल एल्बम।
सुपर।
Can we please welcome Mr. Sandeep also just once, please, just one, yeah. नहीं, Sandeep and Neha, please, you have to, please. Yeah, exactly, just one step, just one.
When I'm doing launching my album, that's
Just one. नहीं, yeah, just one, please, just one. एक छोटा सा step चलेगा। मेरा दिल टूट गया, दिल टूट गया मेरा। I think even see you being an amazing choreographer and I have already heard so much about you. एक छोटा सा step नेहा के साथ कोई भी गाने पे चलेगा। बल्ले भी चलेगा।
my step with Neha. My best step.
Oh my God! Look at this.
थैंक यू।
That's a baby step, okay? That's a baby step. I mean, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे आके, you know, I'm feeling so.
Neha, congratulations. You are growing leaps and bounds, and this is yet another feather in your cap. Obviously, आप हमेशा water treat लेकर चल रहे हैं, जिसमें conserve कर रहे हैं। आज क्या special है?
सो वाटर के ऊपर तो मैंने पहले भी काम किया है. दैट प्रोजेक्ट वॉज कॉल्ड एज डांसिंग वाटर विच आई डिड विद पंडित शिवमणि जी. बट दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट एंड वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट बिकॉज ये मैंने पैंडमिक के टाइम पे हम लोगों ने सोचा, मिस्टर ज्ञानदेव सिंह जी ने और मैंने मिलके, कि ऐसा कुछ वर्चुअली हम लोग करें जहाँ पे हम स्टेज को मिस नहीं करेंगे, से स्टेज के एस्थेटिक्स को वी वोंट मिस. वी विल यूज़ द प्रॉपर एस्थेटिक्स ऑफ लाइट एंड द बैकड्रॉप and will convey this message. So what we say, where there's a will, there's a way. So we found out a way to reach out to the audience, and I think it has turned out very beautiful. I hope the audience like it, and waiting for your this was I read a little bit, so I was reading this translation of Meghadoot by late Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji, and was also reading the poetries of Nirala ji. ये हिंदी साहित्य में आता है, तो वो पढ़ते पढ़ते मुझे लगा कि मेघदूत में जैसे एक क्लाउड मैसेंजर है, टेकिंग द मैसेज टू, बट मेघदूत में और मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में एक डिफरेंस है. मेघदूत में वो क्लाउड द मैसेंजर इज टेकिंग द मैसेज ऑफ द लवर टू द लेडी, एंड वो प्यार का मैसेज लेके जा रहा है. मैंने सोचा कि यहाँ पे मैं कुछ अगर इसको सोशल मैसेज में कन्वर्ट कर सकूं, और ये एक मैसेज वाटर कंजर्वेशन को लेके एक क्लाउड मैसेज पहुंचा रहा है, एंड हाउ व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर. वो क्लाउड इज़ अ मैसेंजर ऑफ दैट इम्पोर्टेंस, is making people realize the importance of water. कभी किसी खूबसूरत लड़की को enjoyment का कारण बन रहा है, कभी दो beautiful lovers के लिए enjoyment और खुशी का, happiness का एक ज़रिया है, और कभी कहीं पे जहाँ पे वो अपनी blessings नहीं देता, वहाँ पे सब कुछ destroy हो जाता है. So this is what was my concept, but I wanted to do a show with this, as I told you earlier also. एंड पैंडमिक के टाइम पे मुझे लगा कि ये जो मैं करने वाली थी स्टेज पे, इसको मैं 5 सीरीज़ में बना के, एंड लेट अस जस्ट, ज्ञान ने कहा कि ये इस तरीके से हम वर्चुअली इसे कर सकते हैं, एंड वी जस्ट ट्राइड इट, बट आई थिंक इट हैज़ कम आउट वेरी वेल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी.
Sandeep और आप go a long way back, and Sandeep has always been part of your endeavors. As being there as GPS retire event. So Sandeep, talking about the concept, the performance sort of video, what happened?
Well, I have seen all the videos that are going to be coming out soon in the month of February, on 2nd of February on YouTube. All I can say is Neha is a fantastic artist. I've had the opportunity to work with her as well, and we did a show together before. And whatever this girl does is always extremely creative, extremely unique. And what she has done this time is path breaking completely. एक ऐसा मीडियम आया है सामने जो क्लासिकल डांस के लिए एक path breaking event बनेगा, एक path breaking show बनेगा, which they will learn a lot from. It's technically beautifully done by Gyan, and of course music of Vivek ji is fantastic, and the performance of Neha is always rocking, and as always she's done a great job.
संदीप नेहा, संदीप जी, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से कई चीज़ें विवादों में आ जाती हैं, और डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी युवाओं को बहुत अपील भी करती है. तो आप ये अपने कार्यक्रम के तहत, ये एल्बम के तहत युवाओं को कितना आकर्षित करने पाने में सफल रही?
अभी तो ये सेकंड को रिलीज़ होगा, तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि कितने युवा इससे जुड़ेंगे, बट उम्मीद मुझे यही है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा युवा इसके साथ कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज़ मोबाइल आजकल हर किसी के हाथ में है. तो हमें सिनेमा घर तक, अभी पैंडमिक के टाइम पे तो स्पेशली, हमें सिनेमा घर तक जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें कोई हैवी टेक्नोलॉजी का भी यूज़ नहीं करना है, घर के ही अंदर बड़े कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स खरीदने नहीं हैं, आपके हाथ में जो सेट है आप उसी का यूज़ करके इसे देख सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड रीच आउट टू द ऑडियंस, टू द यंग ऑडियंस, जो क्लासिकल आर्ट फॉर्म के बारे में अब ज़्यादा जान पाएंगे, बिकॉज इट विल बी गोइंग रीचिंग आउट टू मोर एंड मोर यूथ नाउ. So I think yes, it will be a good reach out. Good meeting.
पहली बात है, this is my first event, right? This is like dream come true. Like मैं शुरुआत कैसे करूँ मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, but the thing is, sorry, being a classical dancer, this is like dream come true.
So amongst us we have one of the journalists here who is saying it's the first event, and being a classical dancer it's a dream come true. Well, this shows this young girl who's standing right here and having tears in her eyes just proves that this has reached
Come.
this has reached all the young artists. Come here.
Come here.
It has reached all the young artists. God bless you.
Oh no, not mine at least.
Because today virtual medium is the new medium. और आजकल ये जो नए बच्चे हैं, ये इन लोगों के साथ में जुड़ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. एंड क्लासिकल डांस has always had this image of being with mythological characters, but Neha has brought this unique social message to it, along with a new technology, which is very, very attractive toward the youth like this. And the tears just prove that what you have done, Neha, is fantastic.
Thank you.
So you don't have to cry at all, you have to feel happy. Tell everybody that classical dance on virtual platform in a new way has come, and it's a way to reach out to the world now. Yes?
I just want to say one more thing here, that it is not like, yes, of course, I'm here to promote classical dance and Kathak in general, but it is also about dance. मैंने संदीप जी के साथ जो पहला प्रोजेक्ट किया था सैरंद्री, इन दैट वी हैड मैनी अदर डांस फॉर्म्स, बहुत सारे डांस फॉर्म्स थे. सो डांस हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ मीडियम टू एक्सप्रेस. डांस से हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. सो बी इट कथक, भरतनाट्यम, ओडिसी या बॉलरूम या तनोरा. Beautifully, he has just now composed something very, very graceful in and expressive in Tanora. So, dance is a medium to express, और यही मेरी हमेशा कोशिश रही है और रहेगी आगे भी कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छे कलाकारों के साथ जुड़ के मैं कुछ नया करती रहूँ.
मुझे आपसे यही कहना है कि लाइक I have completed my first year in Kathak. Like second year, I was pursuing, but because of this pandemic, like होता है ऐसा है ना कि like हम लोग को वो टीचर्स नहीं मिलते हैं जिसके साथ हम लोग डिस्कस कर सके या फिर जो भी है. Like Kathak is all about story telling and story discussing. Without discussion, we can't do it. Like we need to communicate with each other. But अभी का सिचुएशन ऐसा हो गया है कि like टीचर्स वैसे नहीं मिलते हैं. दे डोंट सपोर्ट. लाइक इन पेंडेमिक मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इशू मेरे को स्टॉप करना पड़ा.
You don't worry about your financial
Well,
issues.
it'll start
You
again.
can connect with me anytime. I'll give you my contact. You can connect me. I teach. I'll help you out. Don't worry.
लाइक कथक इज ऑल लाइक आर्टिस्ट जीता ही मतलब वो नहीं रहेगा तो नहीं रह सकता आर्टिस्ट. लाइक मैं डिप्रेशन में चले गई थी एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड विथ मेडिटेशन एंड ऑल. चैन में मैंने अभी सब स्टार्ट कर दिया. नाउ आई फील लाइक आई कैन स्टार्ट नाउ.
Please connect with me anytime. Thank you.
Well, coming up with 5 different various themes on the same topic is not an easy job, and a lot of thought has gone into it, a lot of creativity has gone into it, and lots of months of मेहनत has gone into it. So I think pandemic के time पे हम लोग सब घर बैठे थे और इन्होंने उसका creatively उसका बहुत इस्तेमाल किया, which is a very beautiful thing, which is a sign of a true artist. किस तरह से हम लोग अपने फ्री समय में उसको एक प्रोडक्टिव बना सकें, एंड दैट्स व्हाट शी हैज डन, एंड दिस इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्टिव वर्क, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू नेहा.
Thank you, Sandeep ji. Thank you so much for being there with me always. He always stands with me whatever I do, and I hope कि हम लोग फ्यूचर में और ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करके और अच्छा काम करें.
We will. Thank you.
To the audience, yes, there are 2 messages I want to give. जैसे मैंने अभी वो बच्चे को सुना, नहीं, there is never मैं तो इस बात को बिल्कुल नहीं मानती कि आप होप लूज़ कर सकते हो, कभी भी नहीं. अभी इतने बड़े पैंडेमिक में भी अगर दिमाग के अंदर कुछ आ सकता है, मेरे ज्ञान के दिमाग में, हमारी म्यूज़िकल टीम के दिमाग में, हम लोग सब बैठ के अगर कुछ सोच सकते हैं. आपको सिर्फ एक हिम्मत करने की ज़रूरत होती है, एक कोशिश करने की ज़रूरत होती है, होता है, सब कुछ होता है, एंड इट विल बी पॉसिबल always. So I want to do much more better, bigger project than this virtually. Thank you.
Thank you.
फर्स्ट तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन को कहना चाहूँगा नेहा को फॉर डूइंग सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्क. एंड मुझे इतना कथक का नॉलेज नहीं है बाय ऐसे, बट जो पिक्चर मूवीज़ देखकर और शोज़ देखकर नॉलेज है थोड़ा बहुत. इट्स लॉट्स ऑफ पेशेंट वर्क एंड व्हाट एक्सप्रेशंस talked about, because everything expressed with hand and eyes and face and everything, and she's done a brilliant job. And हम लोग देखते हैं as a designer, we see the costume, we see the whole thing, and the costume what she's wearing it for the video, it looks very amazing and very inspiring for us to make a new collection taking Kathak dance as a inspiration. And I always look forward to see the classical dancers and take inspiration from them. So नेहा को मैं congratulations and all the best for her release on 2nd of Feb, and hope everybody likes it, and all the best to her. Thank you.
can just have one. Lift together. एक मिनट hold on. Yeah, no, please come. One picture together. Hold on.
Hello, hi, good afternoon, everyone. I would first of all want to wish her all the very best. It's a very new concept that she's working on, and she's an amazing dancer. So I'm really looking forward for this video, and wish her loads and loads of success, many more videos to come like this. I really wish her all the best. For me, dance is dance. It's something, it's a beauty of an inner soul. There are different forms, of course, and my body type is more, I would say, Latin, because I've been training myself with Latin dancing. But then, last few years, I've been training myself for hip hop and Bollywood and all other styles, including folk and Launi and other Marathi styles as well. So, dance is just, there are different forms of dances, but I think it's an expression of a feeling, and it's something I would call it as meditation. It's something that comes from within, for sure. Thank you.
Yeah, I just have to have a look at absolutely incredible work which Neha has done, and amongst all the challenges. But before I say anything about whatever I saw, Neha, I'm sure you will agree with me. Everything in the universe, people say, has a rhythm, and everything kind of around us dances. That's the way God has created this universe, and I think the best form of expression when it comes to dancing is the Indian classical dance, and amongst all of them, I think Kathak is the most expressive form of dancing. What I saw was one of the most expressive Kathak performances created in a very challenging environment. So hats off to you. Wonderful. I'm given to understand there are 5 editions of these. Looking forward. When is the date of release?
2nd of February.
2nd of Feb. So I'm going to be waiting eagerly, and I'm sure all of you must follow and try and take it to as many people as possible. Congratulations and all the best, Neha.
Thank you so much.
कहते हैं ना कि कोई भी जो एक प्रोडक्ट होता है, जो उसका फेस होता है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। नेहा का जो डांस फॉर्म का ऊपर कमांड है, वो मैं आई बीन टू सो मैनी कंसर्ट्स टू बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फाउंड ऑफ दिस फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट। तो नेहा का मैंने परफॉर्मेंस देखा था रेमो के साथ में, राइट? नो, शिवमणि जी के साथ। उस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मैंने खुद ऐसा फील किया था कि नेहा जब भी कोई एल्बम कट करेगी, वो 100% एक शो शॉट हिट होगा। और आप देखिए कि जैसे हम लोगों ने टीज़र देखा, वो इतना खूबसूरत बन पड़ा है बिकॉज ऑफ हर। सो आई कैन लाइक विश हर गुड लक, और मुझे लगता है कि एल्बम 100% एक हिट होगा। विश हर अ गुड लक।
Thank you so much, Ezwood.